Hello everyone, welcome back. Yeah, it is summertime, and in today's video I will be teaching us how to make this yummy popsicle. Take one, pass it around. So in today's video again I will be making PineManCo popsicle, and yes, this is actually good for the summer. Yeah, so to make this popsicle, I'll be using three main healthy ingredients. The first one is the pineapple, and the second ingredient is mango, and the third ingredient is coconut. Yeah. So this is how I'm going to be making this healthy pine mango popsicle. Yes, you heard me right. And the quantity of the ingredients I'll be using is going to be ratio 1:1. And I'll be using this evaporated milk and condensed milk to blend this PineManCo popsicle. And here I have the popsicle mold. Yeah. So the quantity will be giving me 10 popsicles. And this is the popsicle stick. And sit back, relax. Let's dive in. So these are all the ingredients and the material that I'll be using again. And the first thing I have to do is to cut the pineapple. And the quantity of the pineapple I'll be using is about 150 gram. And also I'll be blending this with 150 gram mango. Yeah. So I have about 150 gram mango in that blender. And I added about 150 gram of pineapple. And I'll be blending this with about 150 gram of coconut flakes. Yeah, you can actually use raw organic coconut or fresh coconut, but to make this I will be using coconut flakes. Yes, you heard me right. And boom, this is ready. I'll be blending this with about 14 ounces of condensed milk here. And the quantity of the condensed milk, or the quantity of the ingredient that you will be using, actually depends on the quantity of the popsicle that you want to make. But for this video I will be making just 10 popsicle, and I decided to add about 4 ounces of evaporated milk to help with the blending of this ingredient. Yeah, and if you have like vanilla syrup you can actually add, or any other sweetener you can add. But this is what I'll be using today to make this popsicle. And the next thing I did was to blend this, and boom, this is ready. Yeah. So I'll be pouring this blended pineapple, mango, and coconut into the popsicle mold. And you can see the consistency of what I blended is not too watery and it's not too thick. So I pour this into the popsicle mold, and I will be refrigerating this. I'll be freezing this for about 10 hours. Yeah, you heard me right. And this is ready. The next thing I did was to cover this up and to put the popsicle stick. Yeah. And these are the popsicle stick. And boom, this is ready. So I took this and I put it in the freezer for 10 good hours. And boom, this is ready. After 10 hours, I brought this out and I will be removing each of the popsicle from the mold. Yeah. And this is actually ready. And boom, let's see what we have here. So boom, I took out the first popsicle from the mold, and this actually looks very, very yummy. And that was how I took out the remaining popsicle. And this is how I made this PineManCo fresh, healthy popsicle. And this is actually good for young and also for adults, because the main ingredients that I use to make this are actually healthy, nutritious, and this can be taken by anybody of different ages. And this is ready. Will you try this PineManCo popsicle out? Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia Howell. I love you all. Take one, pass it around. Bye for now. Thank you.